caught the Explorer Stars. We did the Was a Idol talent show. But now we're going to the Super American Pop Teen Idol Star. Right, Professor Quigley and the Juniors? Yep. Certainly is. Aha. I will have to be a winner. So we are. So, I know about that. Well, I'll let you make my draft. Or play my keyboard. Or play my guitar. But what? Huh? Oh no, we're running out of road. Oh no, we need an Explorer Star. We need to call.
Look, it's Saltador, the super jumping Explorer Star.
Saltador, help us get over the bridge again.
Cool. Will you super jump with us?
Yeah.
Great. You have to stand up to jump. Stand up, please. Stand up. Up, up, up. Now bend your knees and jump really high.
Super jump.
Good super jumping. Gracias, Saltador.
Gracias, Saltador. De nada.